favorite club, Raptor and Lounge? How has it been?
Well, for me, it's been 100% consistency.
How many bottles of Moet, champagne, Hennessy? You want just today? How many?
Let's just say like 4 martel with one Zubike.
Down the line, what's up?
We have been pushing, we've been here, we've been balling, we've been chilling, we've been popping bottles. We'll continue to do one lifestyle.
Play the blues, the blues, the blues. Make you do, that's I do. Enjoy yourself, baby boo, boo. Cause even your boo get a boo, boo. Share the gala, share the booze.